So got a little too deep into some roots with my rake grapple, and I did bust a hydraulic hose, and it's because I purchased these extensions that go from my John Deere quick connect couplers, which I hated the location, how they run into each other. So I purchased this extension and it wraps around this torque tube, and then it goes to my Artillion third function unit, or distribution block, which I don't actually use anymore. So I'm gonna be removing all of this and putting the fittings back on here, and hopefully that gets me back in action. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, tore that on a root, I'm pretty sure. And it plastered the tractor with hydraulic fluid everywhere. Got it all over the hood, and of course it's dripped everywhere. So yeah, that's what we're gonna fix today. So some of the tools we use here on this project, we use the extremely tough Milwaukee 1/2-inch ratchet. Love this ratchet. We use the Milwaukee 13/16 socket to get these little union bolts off. We used the Milwaukee 11/16 ratcheting wrench, although I pretty much just picked these to use their Max-Bite. I have another 13/16. We used the 17mm and the 14mm. We also used Milwaukee's M12 high speed, not high torque ratchet. And of course this had the 8mm socket, the Milwaukee socket on there. And then my favorite wrench for the job was actually this Vera Joker. This is their larger one, the 24/19 or 15/16 to 3/4. And this kind of like ratchets itself, so really, really cool design. I do plan to replace these hoses so I can get this connector over here. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark these at the termination point I need them to terminate at. So now I know that the new ones only need to be this long and I don't have to make them super long like I did last time. And yeah, that's it. We took all this stuff here off. Well, with these. Took all this off and put the factory stuff on, and that should do it for a little while. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I know, super quick. All I wanted to do is put those couplers back in the factory location so I can run my grapple a little bit more and get some more trees moved. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.